Hey guys, so I have literally started this vlog, this video right at the night. I'm already in my night suit, and I just thought I was about to unbox some boxes here, which I like PR boxes. And I thought before I do that, I love sharing PR unboxing with you guys because I love watching it myself, and also because I'm very grateful for what I get. Uh, Hours of hard work go in one day to actually receive what I receive. I'm not even putting the effort of opening my hair or wondering if I'm looking good or not. This is my real self. I actually started this vlog right in the middle of the night, not in midnight, but it's 9 p.m. I just got back after a very long day. I had 3 shoots in the day. I actually shot 3 videos for YouTube. Then I had some mom duties to do, and then I went for the Estée Lauder Christmas party, which I'm very grateful for to be a part of the Estée Lauder family. Estée Lauder companies has some of the top beauty brands under its repertoire like MAC, Bobbi Brown, Clinique, Estée Lauder, of course, Aveda. Like they're just such amazing brands that come under it. Tom Ford. There's Jo Malone, so my favorite. I just got back from the Estée Lauder Christmas party, and this is the goodie bag that we have received. And before I was about to open it and see it myself, I wanted to share it with you guys and actually show you what all I got. So as I said, this company basically manages the top beauty brands in India, and I have been working with them closely for the past almost 2 years now. I create content for them. A lot of times what they do is what PR really means, guys. Let me explain it to you again. There's a thing called seeding in products. So what happens is different brands send you their products, and it's your wish. You're not obliged, or it's not a collaboration, but it's your wish as a creator what you want to, how you want to use the product, where you want to feature it, in what way you want to use it. So when they seed in these products, of course you end up trying them, and when it's brands like MAC, Bobbi Brown. Anyway, you love so many of their products. So when they send you products and you have more products to try, you end up, integrating them in your everyday videos, in your organic content, and that's how you feature them. Anyway, I'm not gonna go deep into it. I think I shared this in my previous PR unboxing video also, but let me show you. So these are basically Christmas goodies from the Estee Lauder companies. Let me take you through what all has been given to every creator that was invited. I think there were about 25 or max 30 creators, and I'm really blessed that I was part of that, because there are people with 1 lakh, even 1 million followers who are there, and I'm still small, I feel, and I still get invited, and I just thank my God that at least my effort is noticed, and brands notice and value your work. That's very important. So grateful, and I will keep working hard. Now let me quickly show you what all is given in this goodie bag, and then we'll open the others. This is the card that is here, which is by the Estee Lauder companies, and it says, this is the note it has. As the holidays approach, we look back at 2023 with immense gratitude and would like to thank you for being a part of the journey through and another incredible year. Your support is deeply valued, and we look forward to our continued partnership. It's a dream, to be honest, to be working with these brands, guys. So the first is, of course, the Ordinary also comes under the Estee Lauder companies. This is the Ordinary Salicylic Acid. Why is it not focusing? Yeah, so this is the Ordinary Salicylic Acid. I've never tried it yet. I think it's good for blemish prone skin. So what I do with a lot of these products, in case they are not of use to me, I gift it to friends, family, everyone. Make a goodie bag and I gift to them. I want to host a giveaway even here and on my Instagram. I'll do that soon. So the first is one Ordinary product. Next is my favorite moisturizer ever, guys. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge, which is my favorite. I always love a restock of my favorite moisturizer. So yes, the Clinique Moisture Surge is the next one. I'm not opening this up, guys. You guys already know. Next is a perfume by Estee Lauder. It's called Tender Light. I've used Desert Rose. Actually, I have 2 of those and I love it. It's the perfect rose fragrance. So this is new. I've never tried this and I look forward to trying it. I'm not opening it right now, guys. Everything is too new. Okay, this is the Bobbi Brown highlighting powder. Okay, I've never used the highlighter by Bobbi Brown. It's in the shade Pink Glow. I've actually not used this. So this is a good new product to try. Wow, it's so nice. Look at that. How beautiful. Looks quite nice, guys. Wow. Okay, I'm really excited to try this. See, I've seen a few creators use this and I've never tried this, so I'm definitely gonna try this out. Next I have, this is a matte lipstick. I always love a matte lipstick, guys. This is in the shade Devoted to Chili. Okay, I've never tried this shade. It's a new shade for me. Looks like a nudish shade from the packaging. Maybe it's a new one. I'm not sure. Let's see. Ooh, it's a matte lipstick and it's like a chili kind of color. My hair is in a bun. I just removed my makeup. I just wore my night suit. I just cleansed out because I was in like a full face of makeup for the party. Okay, so that's a MAC product, a Bobbi Brown product, an Estée Lauder product, a Clinique product and an Ordinary product. So basically every brand that they have under them, they've given one product each. Next is Too Faced and this is the Cocoa Bold lipstick. Today only I met the team. I basically, you know why these events are important is because you end up meeting the brand teams, and I met the Too Faced team and I was literally telling them that today my eye makeup is all Too Faced, the eye palette, the eyeliner, the mascara, and she was very happy. And I told her, you guys should send the lipsticks because your lipsticks are amazing. And actually there's a lipstick in this bag. So this is the Cocoa Bold. I love the Cocoa range anyway. Okay, so this is the lipstick. It looks like a nude lipstick. It actually looks quite light to me, to be honest. It's in the shade Buttercream. So it's something that we'll have to mix it up and use. So let's see. This chocolate range anyway has a lot of brown tones. Smashbox, again one of my favorites. They've sent one of their lipsticks. This is Gulabe. Always love Gulabe, guys. Then there's Aveda. I actually want to start using this product. I had already received it in my PR and I've received another one. This is the Strengthening Overnight Serum. It builds bonds and repairs split ends. I've heard a lot about it. Everyone's saying it's really nice. I'm going to start using this. And what I'm actually most excited about in this package is this Jo Malone perfume, guys. I love Jo Malone. It's an expensive perfume, but it is so good. I don't even feel like opening the packaging, guys. It's real open. This is the star pin of Jo Malone. I'm gonna give it to my daughter. This is their, Diwali packaging, which was really nice for gifting and all. Let's see. This is what the box is. English Pure and Freesia. Okay, I really like this one. This is English Pear. And yes, this is the Jo Malone perfume. I love it and I'm again grateful for this. So yes, that is all the products that I got from the Estée Lauder Christmas party. Amazing, and these are basically pretty much the best Christmas gift ever because it's just goodies I love. So yes, besides this, guys, I do have a few more PR packages that have come to me. I was just opening them. So this is Nykaa. So the first package is actually something I ordered, which is part of a collaboration, but since I've got it now, the first package has these two Lakme Peach Milk products. I'm going to be trying these out. These are like your winter care range. This basically is an outfit that is also a PR. It's from this brand called 16 Stitches. They've sent me a cord set. Oh, they've sent me 2 cord sets. So these are the 2 cord sets they've sent me. This brand does a lot of cord sets and it's called 16 Stitches. This looks like cotton and this also looks like cotton and it looks quite nice. The prints are very nice. Look forward to trying these out. And this box is from Bluer. I'm not opening it right now. It's actually an event invite by this jeans brand. This is a denim brand called Bluer. I've heard it for the first time. But they're inviting me for their store launch or something. But yes, guys, I hope you like this video. I'm not making this too long. I'm going to cut this short. But I'll try and, every time I try and open some boxes, I'm going to just switch on my camera and share with you guys. Because this way, I'm able to share whatever I unbox. Yes, guys, I hope you liked my Estée Lauder goodie bag. I'm excited to try all these products out. I hope you guys like this quick video. I'll see you guys in my next.